Title: How to create and manage a Yahoo account, complete tutorial for beginners. Introduction: Welcome to our tutorial on how to create and manage a Yahoo account. In this video, we'll guide you through each step of the process, from signing up for a Yahoo account to exploring its features and managing your settings. Whether you're new to Yahoo or just looking to brush up on your skills, this tutorial is perfect for beginners. Scene 1. Introduction and explanation of Yahoo. In this scene, we'll provide an introduction to Yahoo and explain what it is, its history, and how it differs from other email providers. Scene 2. Opening a web browser. Next, we'll show you how to open a web browser such as Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Scene 3. Navigating to Yahoo. Once the browser is open, we'll guide you through navigating to the Yahoo website by typing yahoo.com into the address bar. Scene 4. Creating a Yahoo account. In this scene, we'll show you how to sign up for a Yahoo account by clicking on the Sign In button and then Create Account. We'll walk you through entering your personal information, choosing a username, and setting a password. Scene 5. Verifying your account. After creating your Yahoo account, you'll need to verify your email address. We'll guide you through this process and show you how to access the verification email. Scene 6. Setting up your Yahoo profile. Once your account is verified, we'll show you how to set up your Yahoo profile by uploading a profile picture, adding a signature, and filling in other personal information. Scene 7. Exploring Yahoo Mail. Now that your Yahoo account is set up, we'll walk you through how to use Yahoo Mail. We'll show you how to compose and send emails, add attachments, and organize your inbox. Scene 8. Customizing your Yahoo Mail settings. In this scene, we'll guide you through customizing your Yahoo Mail settings. We'll show you how to change your email signature, create filters and rules, and adjust other preferences. Scene 9. Using Yahoo Calendar. Next, we'll show you how to use Yahoo Calendar to schedule events, set reminders, and keep track of your schedule. Scene 10. Using Yahoo Finance. In this scene, we'll explain how to use Yahoo Finance to keep track of stocks, currencies, and other financial data. Scene 11. Using Yahoo News. We'll show you how to use Yahoo News to stay up to date on current events and access the latest news articles and videos. Scene 12. Managing your Yahoo account. In this scene, we'll guide you through managing your Yahoo account, including changing your password, updating your personal information, and deleting your account. Scene 13. Advantages and uses of Yahoo in 2023. Finally, we'll discuss the advantages and uses of Yahoo in 2023, including its continued popularity as an email provider, its integration with other Yahoo services, and its potential for future growth and development. Conclusion: Congratulations, you've successfully learned how to create and manage a Yahoo account. We hope this tutorial was helpful in guiding you through each step and exploring all the features that Yahoo has to offer. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials like this one. SEO keywords: Yahoo account, tutorial, beginners, web browser, verification email, Yahoo Mail, email signature, filters, rules, Yahoo Calendar, Yahoo Finance, Yahoo News, managing account, advantages, uses, 2023. In the end, subscribe to HOWTOUSAMA.